Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another film simulation recipe. This is another recipe that was shared to me by Mark G. Adams. Now I've done a few of his recipes already on the channel. They're all pretty awesome. And after I did a video from his last recipe, he actually shared in the comments, he said if you like it was a monochrome one, if you like black and white, shooting black and white, you really want to check out he calls it the MGA J Street film simulation recipe. Now what this one is, it's kind of based on like Japanese style street photography, really like low fidelity, really deep blacks, bright overblown whites, and it's like a really gritty kind of film simulation. So when you look at these sample pictures, lots of grain in there, definitely a neat kind of style, not as crisp as some of the other simulations we've saved on this channel. So what I did today, it is -14, and I went out for a walk this morning to check out this film simulation because I thought it'd be good because it's overcast, it's kind of snowing a little bit, but what was really kind of neat is you'll notice in some of these pictures is the trees have, because of the frost, have this kind of, they almost look like blossoms on all the trees. There's kind of a frost on all the branches. So it looks really kind of neat with the white of the snow and the frost on some of the branches. With the darkness, I walked through the city, so the darkness of the concrete and the streets and the concrete asphalt on the road. So let me know what you think about this simulation. It definitely is a different kind of look, not for every kind of situation, but I had a lot of fun shooting this one. So thanks a lot, Mark, for sharing it. Hopefully you enjoy it. I will share the recipe at the end of this video as well, but check out these pictures and let me know what one you like the best. Hopefully you enjoy the pictures. Here is how to set up this film simulation recipe. I set this up. I have the Fuji X-T4. It was developed for the X-T3, so with the X-Trans III sensor, but it worked just as well, I found, on the X-T4, so give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and a huge thanks again to Mark G. Adams for sharing his film recipes on his website and blog. If you haven't checked out his website and blog yet, I will leave a link down in the description below. Make sure you check it out. I'll also link to this film simulation recipe. He's got lots of his own sample images as well with this. Actually, some of them have a neat kind of little slider on the website, so you can go back and forth to see what it looks like from a regular shot to adding the simulation. So kind of neat that way. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again, Mark, and we'll see you all in the next video.